Good morning, everybody. Today we will talk about the adjectives. What is an adjective? Simply put, an adjective is a word you use to describe a person, place, or thing. An adjective modifies nouns or pronouns. Without adjectives, we wouldn't know if you had a serene vacation or a disastrous vacation. Let's dive into the intricacies of this important part of speech so you can identify an adjective when you see one. Adjectives are information gatherers. What are adjectives? When it comes to function, adjectives are information gatherers. Specifically, they provide further information about an object, size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Here are some examples of adjectives in action. It's a big table. Size. It's a round table. Shape. It's an old table. Age. It's a brown table. Color. It's an English table. Origin. It's a wooden table. Material. It's lovely table. Opinion. It's a broken table. Observation. It's a coffee table. Purpose. Adjectives answer questions. Adjectives serve another important role. They answer questions like which one, how many, and what kind. You can see how they do this job in the following examples. Which cat did you see? It was the gray cat. What kind of potatoes did you buy? I bought red potatoes. How many cars were in the parking lot? There were few cars. How many people like ice cream? Most people like ice cream. Which spoon did you use to stir the soup? I used the wooden spoon. What kind of coffee do you like? I like black coffee. Adjectives use certain suffixes. A suffix is the ending portion of a word. They often follow familiar patterns. In general, many English adjectives end with these suffixes. Able, able, adorable, invisible, responsible, uncomfortable, al, educational, gradual, legal, nocturnal, viral, an, American, Mexican, urban, are, cellular, popular, spectacular, vulgar, int, intelligent, potent, silent, violent, full, harmful, powerful, tasteful, thoughtful, equal, athletic, energetic, magical, scientific, bovine, canine, equine, feminine, masculine. Isle, agile, docile, fertile, virile. I've, informative, native, talkative. Less, careless, endless, homeless, timeless. Os, cautious, dangerous, enormous, malodorous. Some, awesome, handsome, lonesome, wholesome. Adjectives use certain placement in a sentence. What if you come across a word that doesn't have one of the above suffixes, but you still suspect it's an adjective? You can use sentence placement as a clue. For instance, some adjectives end in y, ary, or ate, or any other suffix for that matter. These words can be nouns, adverbs, verbs, or adjectives. The key to knowing whether a word is an adjective is to look is it, where it is, and what's doing in the sentence. Before a noun. If it comes immediately before a noun, it's likely an adjective. For example, in blue, plate. Blue is an adjective describing the noun plate. Between an article and a noun. If it comes between an article like the, an, or a, and is followed by a noun, it's almost definitely an adjective. For example, in the grassy field. Grassy is the adjective describing the noun field. Between possessive and a noun. If it comes between a possessive pronoun or noun and another noun, it's almost definitely an adjective. For example, in his red kite. Red is an adjective to describe kite. The same is true for Sam's red kite. Between a demonstrative and a noun. If a word comes between a demonstrative like this, that, these, or those, and a noun, it's probably an adjective. For example, in that immaculate kitchen. Immaculate is an adjective describing kitchen. Between an amount and a noun. If a word comes between an amount, including some, most, all, a few, and a noun, it's often an adjective. For example, in the phrase, a few ordinary days, ordinary is an adjective describing days. Adjectives can act as complements. Adjectives can also act as complements. Complements complete a sentence when the verb is to be. Not every complement is an adjective, but some adjectives can be complements. For example, she's tall. He's smart, handsome, and rich. Distant is malodorous. A note on the order of adjectives. If you're using adjectives in your writing, order is important. When you list several adjectives in a row, there is a specific order they need to go in. Native English speakers tend to put them in the correct order naturally. But if you are learning English, you will have to memorize the order. It goes like this. Determiner, an article, a and the. A number or amount. A possessive adjective, my, his, her, its, your, our, their. Or Administrative, this, that, these, those. Observation, opinion, beautiful, expensive, gorgeous, broken, delicious, ugly. Size, huge, tiny, 4 foot tall. Shape, square, circular, oblong. Age, 10-year-old. New, antique. Color, black, red, blue, green. Origin, Roman, English, Mongolian. Material, silk, silver, plastic, wooden. Qualifier, a noun or verb acting as an adjective. This is the correct cumulative order for adjectives that come directly before a noun. They are not separated by commas. My beautiful big circular antique brown English wooden coffee table was broken in the move. An important exception: when an item is defined by its purpose, that word isn't usually an adjective, but it acts as one with the noun in that situation. Coffee table, pool hall, hunting cabin, baseball player. Adjectival expertise. What are adjectives? Adjectives come in many shapes and sizes that makes sense given their important function. Nouns are one of the most important parts of speech. It's only fitting that their comrades are multifaceted. The thing with adjectives is you never want to overdo it. Too many adjectives can bulk up a sentence, reducing its fluidity, like the adverb. Only use adjectives when they will really pack a punch and help you paint a picture. Your writing will be better for it.